Come on, get up in bed.
She can't even climb up.
Oh, God. Maybe we ought to put that back over here.
I think what I can do, I'll just get behind you and juice you. You juice me.
Hey!
You better watch it when you come off the bed, Joe.
Oh, God, does this feel good? Oh, John. Oh,
Yeah.
you ready for bed yet? Oh, God, this feels good.
God damn, I never dreamed of that damn mattress to be that damn high.
Me neither. You know, he just kind of threw me. Because I thought, what the hell?
You're crazy, you buying that big ass thing.
You were there, asshole.
Well, what the hell did you buy it for, damn it? Look how tall you are now.
You were there.
You're taller than I am.
Oh, God.
Stand up in bed, you can touch the ceiling.
I could.
Well,
Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off.
Oh, shit, I'm afraid of height.
Well, if you fall through the wall there. What is Hey, Jess.
Oh.
Hey, she can paint the ceiling now.
Yeah, I can paint the ceiling on the bed. Oh.
Yeah, I'll just scoot around that bed.
Careful.
Paint the whole damn
He
ceiling.
says he's gonna scoot you around on the bed so you can paint the whole damn ceiling. You just had a mental image, didn't you?
God damn, you look like a little kid up there.
Look at my little lamp down there.
Yeah, you can't.
Yes, look at that
You
lamp.
can't even reach your switch for it.
Look at that, honey.
You can't even reach your switch on that light.
He said you can't reach the switch.
No, I can't. And my little clock down there.
I'll tell you what, let's move that table over there. It might be too high then, though. You might not be able to reach up that high.
That? No, I don't want that.
But do you
over
like
here.
the bed?
Huh?
Do you like the bed?
I love it.